So what we did tonight, we did a regular box step. We practiced lowering first, 4, 5, lower. So we can start in a lower position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lowering every time. 1, rise, fall, lower, rise, fall. Yes? The second thing we did was a balancing box. The balance went straight ahead for us. 1, march, march, and return. 5, 6. So balancing box. We started with a balance step, we ended with a box step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this position, we march forward in a half progressive. 1, 2, 3. Then we turn to the right. 4, 5, 6. Again on that one, we walk forward. 1, 2, 3. As I step with my right, she steps with her left. 4, 5, 6. From this direction here, if you're looking at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we just start it all over again with a regular box step. Yes?